The cash adjustment report will show you any instances in which the cash was adjusted in the cash drawer manually. By default, you will be shown the last 7 days from today, but you can change this date range to any custom range. To change the date range, you have to click anywhere on the date field. Instead of a custom range, you can use one of the quick date ranges on the left side, like yesterday or last 30 days. Here, we're going to do a completely custom date range. In this section, we'll be selecting the start time and date, and here on the right side, the end time and date. In this report, you can see the point of sale where the cash adjustment was performed, the employee who made the change, the time of the change, the amount that was added or deducted, the before and after total cash amount in the cash drawer, and the reason for the change. You can break this report down by point of sale devices, locations, or employees who performed the change in cash in the cash drawer. You can export or print this report directly from this page. To access the cash adjustment report, go to Reports and click on the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner. If you have any questions about the cash adjustment report, please contact us by phone, chat, or email 24/7. We'll be happy to help you.